When the kids get up in the morning, they all say good morning. When the kids get up in the morning, they all say good morning. Hello and welcome once again to our maths session. So, as we have revised about all the shapes which you have learned till now, we will do a quick recap of the same. Triangle, rectangle, square, circle, oval, star, diamond. So children, here you see so many shapes and so many colors and some numbers. So let's do an interesting activity. So in this activity, first we will recognize the shapes and then we will say the names of the colors and then we will count the shapes. So let's begin. So children, let us first recognize the shapes. Which shape is this, children? Yes, it is a star shape. Next, which shape is this? Yes, this is a square shape. Which shape is this? It is a diamond shape. Which shape is this? This is a triangle shape. Which shape is this? This is an oval shape. Which shape is this, children? Yes, it is a circle. Which shape is this, children? Yes, it is a rectangle. Very good. So children, now let us identify the colors and count the shapes. So we will start with star shape. Red color, yellow color, brown color, green color and orange color. And how many stars do you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let us pick number 5 from here and stick it near the star shape. So we have 5 stars. Now let us identify the color of square shape. Green color, orange color, yellow color. Now let's count them. 1, 2 and 3. So let us find number 3 here. Yes, 3 with the squares. So we will stick it here. 3 squares. Let us identify the colors of diamond shape. Blue color, red color, purple color and yellow color. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's find the number 4 with the diamond shape and we will stick it here. 4 diamonds. Now here we have an orange triangle. 1 orange triangle. So let's find out number 1 here. Here we have number 1 with a triangle. So let's stick it near the triangle. One triangle. This is a black oval shape. One oval shape. So let's find out number 1 here. Here we have number 1 with an oval shape. So we will stick it here. One oval. Next, we have circle shape. Which color is this? Green color and pink color. And how many circles are there? 1, 2. So let's find number 2 here. Yes, this is number 2 with 2 circles. So we will place it here. 2 circles. Now we have rectangles. Let's see the colors. Purple, green and pink. And how many rectangles are there? 1, 2 and 3. So let's take this number 3 and place it here. 3 rectangles. Children, I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Now it is the solution time. In this worksheet, you had to trace the given shapes and color them. Have you done it correctly? Very good. Bye-bye and take care. Thank you.